Hello guys, I am going to do today is how to download Unity your PC and how to install it correctly for free. So go to your web browser anything, go to Google and type this website filecr.com. So I click enter. As you can see, there is categories for every category, and you can download anything you want other than this. And click in this icon, and you can search here, type Unity and press enter, and you can see Unity for 2020 version is how they have it, and click in this thing and you can see its overview and features of 2020 system and system requirement. And you can, if you want, you can have previous versions also. So I am going to download this version. So, and you can have two options: direct download and torrent download. And like to direct download, the speed is slow. You can choose torrent download, but my direct download the speed is pretty much okay, so I choose that. Okay, and as anyone have slow download from direct, you can choose torrent. So that's it. And if you don't know what is torrent and how to download this torrent, you can comment down below and I'll do video about it if you don't know. And I'll take this link, direct download, and as you can see they are generating link and successful, and you have to click to download that in this link, and you can see download is began button. I download this zip already to my PC and I enter in this. You can download it, and this is downloaded PC zip file that as you see earlier. So I am going to extract here, it's getting some time for extract because it's big file. So after extracting process is complete, I come and extraction is complete. So let's go to file. As you can see, our extract file is here, and let's read file. Install Unity Hub. Do not launch after installation. Install Unity. Do not start after installation. Copy and replace. Select the version you want. The application file from tab hub folder. Unity drive. The Unity file from tab folder. There's no program look okay. There's no program for the pages. Launch here. In the window that is locate the version and specify the path to link it. So exe file, create a new project for testing, install the support modules and add some new needs. So let's go to steps. Install Unity Hub. And Unity setup. Unity Hub. support, track, add-on, Unity hardship. It's creating and yes. Agree, install. And hit this and remove the correct mark and click the finish and go back and install Unity. Yes, and next I accept and next next and installing. I think it's getting some time, so when I install it in the next desktop, I'll come back. Let's meet there. Okay guys, I will set up this list installing, so click the finish and I need to read after install Unity and copy and replace. Select the version you want. So how export the Unity hard resource. Copy this and go to this and program file Unity hub. Resource folder and paste and replace. Continue. Okay, that is complete and the Unity is file from that Unity and we need to go Unity back folder and Unity folder. Unity exe file, this one, and copy, go to this, Unity editor, and paste, replace, continue. Delete the folder C program, Unity editor, data, resources, license, data, server, license, continue, and that is deleted. And copy the license file, Unity, and crack folder, C program, Unity, all. If there is no program data folder in G drive, enable this file. If there is no Unity file in G program folder, create it. Search Unity app, like the folder to see program data, Unity code. So this file, copy to see program data, Unity. Go to see. There is no program data, and you need to view and click hidden item button. So, and go to Unity. Unity. There is no Unity folder. There is no program for it. And if there is no Unity folder in your program, create it. Unity. Create Unity folder. And open a folder. Create Unity. And enter. And paste copy file back. And this. There is no installation, so create it. Launch Unity Hub. The windows that appear, click update the version and specify the path to Unity file. Create new project for testing, install, support module and add some Unity. Okay. Now we need to run the Unity Hub. Allow access and locate. Go to Unity editor and Unity. Select all. And you can see our Unity is here. Index and new. Create project. First. So, and create. So project is open. For the first time, it's getting a little bit time, so in the let's see. So guys, our project is open. You can see project is fine, and you can get objects also to camera like that, as you can see. So that's it for today this video. Hope you guys like my video and get the details you want to install the Unity. So I'll put the link below for you to download the Unity, and also you can go did I show you. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Do like my videos, like and subscribe and share for others to look into my videos so they can watch my content. So thank you guys.